Welcome back, everyone. In this video we're going to show you how we seasoned our 22-inch Blackstone Adventure Ready grill that we got at Walmart for our RV. So it may be the right way or the wrong way, but it was the way we did it. If you got any helpful tips or suggestions, please leave it in the comments. I'll be glad to hear them. So, let's get started with the video. Alright, it's time to season this Blackstone 22-inch Adventure Ready grill. Yeah, I remember him saying that you got to get around all the edges and everything.
I'm going to put smoke and put another coat on it.
You've already got one coat on?
Yep.
Because I believe you got to put 3.
3 to 5.
And ours didn't come with those little squirt bottles, so we're just kind of pouring it out.
Make sure you got your grease train in.
Yeah. Make sure you got your grease trap in. We didn't do too good on that one. Now we got oil on our deck. Those are the things you learn. Because we didn't have that grease pan in. And now we got that. And for just to season it, we're just using our little cylinders that we had, instead of hooking it to the big tank. How high did you have to turn that thing up there? All the way up?
Yeah, all the way up.
Woo! That is a smoking.
Well, I'll put some on it.
So is that when it's ready to do another coat?
When it quit smoking.
Oh.
That's just smoking because I have some oil on it.
Well, Crazy Pop, we may be ready to be cooking here before long. And we picked a hot day to do it out here. It's only 100 degrees outside. We're going to have to get us those little squirt bottles. Make it a little easier. Make sure you go around all the edges when you're seasoning these. It's just to protect it and keep it good, operating good. And food don't stick.
Was I still going to fall out?
Now we're going to get ready to do coating number 3. And you do the same steps as you did before. Getting around all the edges.
Yeah, I wish I had on tongs or some gloves.
Yeah. I bet your hand is getting hot. All I know is hot and it is smoking. Just now, is our grease pan in the right spot?
Yep.
So we don't have oil all over the deck. We're just using a paper towel with some tongs. Oh, don't burn yourself. Be very careful doing this and don't burn yourself.
Alright, well,
now we gotta let it quit smoking.
yep, and then I'll do it again.
We're gonna go ahead and put
Thing hitting back in the back corner.
a fourth coat on. Yeah, right here in this back corner, it's not wanting to heat up.
That's what Mike was having trouble with his that too.
This should be our final coat. 4 coats should do it. And we're still on that one cylinder, just seasoning it. But when we use it for travel and RV, we're going to hook it to the big propane tank.
It's gonna go.
Now this will be our last seasoning. Woo. And it is smoky out here. These look like good grills for RVers. They fit easy in your compartments. Again, this is the Blackstone Adventure Ready. You get them at Walmart. And we cleaned up our oil mess.
Can't believe you didn't put the drink pan on, Susan.
I didn't do that, Jim. I wasn't the one that forgot the oil pan. Well, that's it for seasoning the Blackstone 22-inch Adventure Ready grill. You can get them at Walmart. They're great for RVers, and we're going to enjoy it when we travel full-time in our RV. So, if you got any questions or got any suggestions on Blackstone grills, please leave it in the comments. We'll take any helpful hints or any good recipes. And check out our friend, the Crazy Pop. He has tons of Blackstone grill videos. He was the one that recommended this one for us. So, see you later in the next video.